The 600-watt solar generator kit by SinKeu offers a versatile charging solution with its included 60-watt solar panel, providing a high conversion efficiency of 22%. This portable power station, weighing only 9.9 pounds, delivers a substantial 296 watt-hour capacity and 600-watt output, making it ideal for outdoor activities. Equipped with multiple output options, this generator includes 2 AC outlets, 1 DC output, USB ports, USB-C, and a cigarette lighter, allowing you to charge various devices simultaneously. The 60-watt solar panel features 4 different output ports, including DC, USB-C, and USB QC3.0, ensuring you can quickly power up your laptop, camera, or other gadgets. Designed for convenience, the foldable solar panels and solid handle make it easy to carry and store, perfect for camping, traveling, and emergency situations. Included with the generator are an AC adapter, car charging cable, a 10-in-1 connector, and a 12-month service, backed by responsive customer support.